What you need to know about the use of artificial intelligence in scientific research and discovery. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. In scientific research and discovery, AI is being used to analyze large quantities of data and make connections that humans may not be able to see. AI algorithms can process complex scientific data, identify patterns, and help scientists make predictions or generate new hypotheses. By using AI, scientists can accelerate the pace of research and make breakthroughs in areas such as drug discovery, genomics, and climate change. So, the use of artificial intelligence in scientific research and discovery holds great potential for advancing our understanding of the world and solving complex problems. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on the intersection of AI and science.